Gentlemen, take a look at this 600S. This is the owner's third car. He said he bought it just to have some fun. Guess how much money it will take to fully restore this 600S. This car will undergo a full refurbishment, along with an old to new upgrade. All aging issues are not a problem since everything will be replaced. You can see the peeling parts, even the bumper needs replacement, so upgrading to the new version actually saves money. Everything here has been repainted. The rear interior is still decent, but the owner feels it is not perfect yet. So he asked us to handle it and try to make this car as perfect as possible. Take a look at the work order, more than 100 items. Nearly 200 parts. Upon removing the enclosure, a rusty wire was found. Line refurbishment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. After cleaning the chassis, apply undercoating. Activate infrared to reinforce paint surface. We start sanding the hard to reach gaps to ensure the paint fully covers every area. Using imported BASF paint combined with precise weighing for accurate mixing. The entire vehicle, inside and out, is painted without any blind spots. Is this bright enough, guys? Thoroughly clean the cabin and limit speed. Chassis components on a car over 10 years old are either aged or rusted, so the owner requested a complete replacement. Thoroughly clean the transmission. After the mechanical repair was completed, the parts were transferred to the assembly area. Install front and rear windshields. Full vehicle paved with official version. Rust removal and rust prevention for the instrument frame. Thoroughly clean the evaporator to make the air conditioning airflow cleaner. Re-encapsulate speed limits. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.